So now we're going to talk about this grammar focus, this rule. As you can see, we have this table. We have 6 parts, as we can see. This is what we call parts of a question. How to make a WH question in English. You need to depend on this rule. First, we start with W question A, what, where, when, why, which, etc. Then auxiliary like is, am, are, do, does, did, have, has, had, will, would, can, could, etc. Number 3, subject. As you can see, it depends. Maybe it is a name like Mark, Ali, Omer. It's just like nouns like women, men, butterflies, or pronouns like he, she, it, they, we, you. Then the verb. Then number 5, rest of the sentence. But sometimes you don't find rest. Finally, number 6, question mark. We're going to talk about this sentence. As you can see, he is playing tennis. We call this in English affirmative or positive. It's like a normal sentence. He is playing tennis. As we can see, we have he, subject, is, auxiliary, playing, verb, and tennis. We're going to try to make this sentence a question. So, we're going to depend on this rule and first try to choose the best or the right or suitable question for this sentence. Tennis. He is playing tennis. What's he doing? He's playing tennis. So, we start with what. We first put what, then auxiliary is, then subject he, then verb playing. We don't have like a rest, so we immediately, or once we put question mark. So let's see it. What is he playing? So he's playing tennis. Affirmative and question. Today we're going to talk about indirect questions, form WX questions. When we have this question and we want to make it indirect question, we try to make the sentence in the normal way, in the normal case, which is affirmative. So we have 2 options. We can say, do you know? Or we can see, could you tell me? Sorry, I have a problem with the letter M. So, do you know? Let's speak about these indirect questions. Do you know? I put what, but I don't say is because I'm going to make it like affirmative. It's not 100% affirmative. It's like affirmative. So I said what, then he, then sorry. Oh, yeah. Is, and finally blank and the question mark. So, do you know what he is playing? So as you can see, I make the sentence like affirmative, but in the same time I keep what and the question mark. Now let's talk about this sentence. Where is the nearest internet cafe? Question mark. So we're going to put, as we said, you can say, could you tell me, or do you know? Okay. So we say, could you tell me, I'm sorry, have the same problem. Do you know? Okay. Do you know where is the nearest internet cafe? Okay. Do you know where I put it in the real place? Where the nearest internet cafe is? And I put in the in the full form. Do you know where the nearest internet cafe is? Some students will ask, why did you put is here? I'm going to tell you why. So, do you know where the nearest internet cafe is? Because when we use the affirmative form, we say the nearest internet cafe is on blah blah blah. So, as I told you, we're trying to make it like affirmative. It's not 100% affirmative.